Hi everyone, my name is David, and this is a recap of Descript Season 9. Avatars are here, and also a new entry, AI Video Maker. Now, this is more or less on the common questions I kind of picked up people had, and also on a video I did a while back, some of the questions that people are asking. Can I use my voice instead of the AI speaker voice that is kind of being used for the AI avatars? All those questions answered, and I do have kind of like a write-up. Some may be repetitive and all that, but let's dive into the recap. So can I use my voice or provided audio if you upload an audio or a video and replace like the video, or even add an avatar to your audio? Yes, you can, and I'll just go to an example right here. For example, I've got this video here. In this video, so instead of kind of having that, all you need to do to replace David as the speaker is just click on this and then click on assign avatar to David, and then select the avatar that you want. Let's say we want to copy this fellow, and then click on assign avatar. And once you do that, you'll need to generate avatar. And because it takes a while, I'll go on to the next thing, but I'll click on it and we see what we get. Generate. As it generates, let's go back here. And there were a bunch of questions and a very good presentation from Alex. So it was really good to see right there. So something else that we got is, can you use a script that involves two voices? More or less assuming like a podcast style or maybe a phone conversation simulation style type of avatar video. Yes, you can. And I've actually done a sample right here. Where we can actually see how it kind of sounds.
Hey, just checking. Are we still on for Saturday?
Absolutely. I was thinking maybe dinner and a movie.
Sounds perfect.
So you can see how it looks good, seamless. Okay, the back and forth for the layouts may kind of be repetitive and get boring in the long run, but you get the drill about using two voices. There are other questions like, can there be two avatars on the screen at once? So this is what we have, two on the screen at once. Let's see. Can I use my own photo as avatar? Yes, you can. For example, here, if I wanted to use my own photo as an avatar, I would have done that. But now we get into the realms of payments. Maybe pricing. The AI avatars, we got 5 minutes for the free plan, 5 minutes per month for the hobbyist plan, and you've got AI avatar, but you cannot upload a photo. For the creator, you get 10 minutes per month, and that is, you have the photo upload and 3 custom avatars. For 30 minutes per month, you get the art gallery, avatar gallery, photo upload, and 5 custom avatars. Now, there's a question on the number of minutes for the plans. I feel that this is kinda the biggest downside to this, because let's assume I want to do like 4 15-minute videos per month using AI avatars. Maybe 4 times in a month I'll not be in the mood to record or something. I would really love to use what I've got with the avatars, and this opens up a whole new range of kind of doing videos where you can just use your voice, record the voiceover, and then an avatar presents what you want it to present. So it would be really awesome, and more or less an avatar that looks like you. That would be really awesome. I got to see a ton of people mention that the kind that the avatars created from their images don't look really good, but sometimes you can import your own. Yes, so you can import your own photos, but somebody mentioned that the photos are kind of not coming out as crispy as we would like to see them, and so on and so forth. But there we have it. Like using your own photos avatars, you can use it. Can you have 2 avatars talking in a conversation? I've kind of just displayed that in this particular one, and I see this other one has finished. Let's see what it changed for this. So let me see. In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, what it looks TikToks, Reels, super fast using Descript. We're going to kind of need to let me say I kind of do away with this. Let me delete this. Delete that dog.
Capitalizing certain words that you like to capitalize, the Alex Amosi style, and everything that you like to see. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to make this super fast. Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
So you can kind of see it's done what it's supposed to do. Not sure what happened in the beginning. Okay, I think it's gone. Yeah, I think it's gone. So let me just go back. I'm still there. Well, I'm still there. Let me see. Let me delete that. Should have been there. So the avatar is out of sync. This edit changed your script, and so on and so forth. So the avatar generation should be the last step that you do, because obviously it's going to take the avatar out of sync. Control Z.
In this video,
and it's
I'll show
recording,
you.
so you can see what is happening there. Okay, there was some issue somewhere there, but anyway, you can see
How to
so
add
on and
captions
so
to your
forth.
social
You can
media
see.
video.
If you look at the mouth of the fellow, is what I'm saying. So you can kinda use an avatar post upload in Descript. So that's good. And then we've got multiple avatars in a project. Yes, we've seen that. Multiple speakers on the scene. Yes. So for example, in this particular example of phone conversation, I've kind of leveraged the layouts for multicam to kind of show that. And that is what we get there using the multicam and so on and so forth. If you're doing screen recordings, then you can use this. For multicam, you've got more. So obviously you can have more avatars on screen the way you kind of want to go with your setup. So it's about your imagination right here. And then we've got, let's see, can you change the background? I believe there was something that was mentioned in that particular aspect. That yes, can you change the background of this? More or less, maybe do a green screen. What other visual effect? Blur, speaker background, chroma key, color adjustments, shadows. I believe those are things that you can do. Let's see what we've got with color adjustments. Is there anything we can do? Yeah, you can kind of do those different adjustments to the avatars. Really depends on what you're working on. So you can do those kind of adjustments. But I believe they did mention you can work on the backgrounds. I'm not sure, maybe unless you do the green screen. But yeah, that is what it looks like. And then so now there was a question, probably a burning question on the pricings, as I've already mentioned. Now the biggest downside to the AI avatars in Descript, in my opinion, is the allocation of minutes per month. For example, 5 minutes per month on the hobbyist plan will not really help anyone who is into creating content and all that, as well as 30 minutes per month for somebody who is paying for the business plan. So that's kind of limiting. But somebody asked, can the creator plan get more avatar minutes? And this is what they mentioned. We're working on the minutes. They're coming right soon. And then we've got, can we buy more minutes per month for avatars? I believe Andrew mentioned that it's in the pipeline right here. I believe something of that sort. So what else? How do you create your own avatar? So I believe it's obviously by just uploading and all that. So what do? You look at their stock photos, more or less the avatar photos. For example, if I come here and decide update David's avatar to a new avatar, just look at what they're doing with their avatars, so that a clear face should be in view, and then so that you can do all that. So they give this this example, but Alex mentioned that doing it with like animals, and mentioned that he tried to do this particular effects with the cats. His cat, it did not kind of make any sense for that. Then there was also who owns the content generated through Descript. You do, I believe. And also for scenarios where you kind of upload your own image, I believe, let me see, if we go for maybe something here, let me see. If you use your own image, you can kind of let me see, can you revert back, update David's avatar? You can delete that. When you upload, for example, by uploading a photo, you consent to Descript and its vendors collection face scan from your image. So you kinda, obviously, they're using a vendor. Who owns the content? You own it, and unless you share the content with somebody else, then this is just in your account. So you're the only one who can create with your own account. So not sure about the vendors collecting face scans of your images. You may need to read the privacy policy right there. But as for the others, there's a ton of images right here that we can leverage to create awesome content. Now, as I mentioned, we also got to see a sneak peek of the AI video maker, where you can either upload a video, generate from a prompt, or paste from a script. Now, which is really awesome, because if we go to the start of this page, should be, let's go to the projects. Let's go to Descript home. Yeah, home. So this changed from text to video, whatever, to AI video maker. If I click on it, then you have three options to select. How do you want to get started? Tell us what you want, then watch as the AI makes a video, adds visuals, and sets it up in Descript for you to edit. You make the creative decisions, AI does the work. Now, these are game changer in this sense. If you really don't want to do the heavy lifting, you have three options. Upload a video, drop in your video recording, we'll cut the filler, add visuals, and even throw in some b-roll. Really awesome. All you need to do is just fine tune. Next up, generate from a prompt. Descript your idea and we'll create a full video with voiceover, visuals, avatar, and all. Magic, basically. And then we've got the paste in a script. Your words, our visuals, will build the video complete with narration and curated b-roll. Too much. So let's say we go with this one. You kind of have to start from a script, choose a voiceover, b-roll, export. So do you have a script on hand, or try generating video from prompt instead? Now, the kind of downside for this is the number of words you're limited to. So let's go back. Let's say we want to generate from prompt, then generate your video from prompt. The same idea, get started, voiceover, b-roll, export. So need some inspiration, try some of these prompts. Basics of workplace safety, making a viral video, measuring email performance. Now let's go back, upload a video. So as we can see, upload your A-roll. Click to browse. Okay, works best for A-roll where someone is talking to the camera. Recommended for files under 10 minutes. Don't have a file on hand? Try generating a video from a prompt instead. So as you can see, we've got this particular 10-minute kind of limit for the upload video. If we go to the upload a video file, and you should be kind of talking straight in the camera. I wish we had some more minutes for that. Generating from a prompt and then paste in a script. I wish we had more words for this, because 300 words is more or less like a 2.5 minute or 3 minute video, depending on the talking speed. It could be something of that sort, but it would be awesome to kind of have more minutes. But it's good to have this available. And the example that was kind of given right here, it was of kind of like a skating and all that, and they had to kind of go do behind the scenes and then come back to show us. So as you can see, what are the usages, avatar creation specifications, creation time, limits per account. So this is what was done. Epic skateboard fails preview. It was a really good video with visuals and more or less kinda captions. Everything was included. The kinda only thing that I would really love to see is more realistic videos, not what we got, what we have right now, because most of the kinda images or videos we are getting with the AI video maker is more or less illustrations. I wish it was more or less like videos per se, like realistic videos is what we are getting. But there was a ton discussed, but most of them were just, can you use more than one avatar, can you change or more or less the minutes allocated to the avatars, is there a pricing plan, a different plan that would really come in handy. But that's just a recap of what happened in Descript season 9, the avatars and the whole thing. And then we got the AI video maker was introduced, which is a really good one. If they can just increase for example, if you're using a script, the number of words in the script, and then we go to the number of minutes for when you upload a video, that will really come in handy. But that's it for now. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.